Welcome back MH Car Review to the channel guys. Today we are reviewing something that is literally not just a vehicle, this is a future moving palace on wheels. What you are looking at is a futuristic Volvo Hyper Motorhome truck concept that looks like it was imported directly from a sci-fi Hollywood movie. The moment you look at its stance, you feel like this is not an RV, this is a luxury land spaceship built for the ultra-rich. The future of luxury travel is not private jets anymore. It is ultra-futuristic land cruisers like this. Look at the exterior first. This design is so extreme, so bold, so ridiculously advanced that it completely destroys the definition of how a road vehicle is supposed to look. The front windshield is one massive curved panoramic glass shell. The edges are seamless. The LED neon accents running around the body look like light signatures from the year 2085. The body styling is aerodynamic, sculpted, smooth like a hypercar, but gigantic like a high-class luxury motorhome. Multi-axle setup, low stance, wide footprint, autonomous sensor modules integrated inside the side structure, robotic storage panels that could open automatically, neon blue highlights giving it that high-tech Tron energy at night. This is the kind of design that makes every person on the street stop and stare. They would not believe this is real when it passes by. Inside this machine it becomes even more insane. Volvo Scandinavian minimalism mixed with ultra-futuristic smart home luxury. The cockpit looks like an advanced aircraft control deck. Smart glass dashboard, AI navigation, jet-style control, AR projected HUD in front of the driver. Everything inside is voice-controlled, gesture-reactive and smart system optimized. The lounge living area feels like a penthouse apartment inside a moving luxury suite. Transforming sofa structures, OLED wall displays, VR entertainment system, ambient lighting that changes mood and theme based on travel route, climate and daytime. The kitchen zone is ultra smart with induction cooking, fridge automation, robotic modules that assist serving and cleaning. Bedroom is full privacy mode with smart mattress system, projection star sky ceiling mode and advanced sound isolation. Bathroom is spa level with rain shower, steam mode, UV water purification and hotel-grade luxury finishing. This is a lifestyle for ultra-wealthy explorers, world-touring content creators, billionaire families and private luxury adventure owners. Performance-wise this machine would most likely run on a multi-motor EV platform, combined hydrogen hybrid system or future solid-state battery tech. With torque vectoring, active aero, adaptive suspension and AI company driving, this vehicle can handle long highways, mountains, weather impact and desert roads with insane comfort. Estimated total power could easily go beyond 2,000 horsepower if 4 or 6 motor architecture is integrated. Range could go above 1,000 kilometers depending on energy system. Autonomous travel mode would make long-distance cross-continent touring almost effortless. It would literally feel like being inside a private cruise ship that is floating over the road. This is not meant for normal consumers. This is ultra-elite lifestyle product. The price range if something like this goes in real-world production could easily start around 2.5 million United States dollars and in fully customized setup can go above 4.5 million United States dollars or more depending on personalization level. This is for those who want the future today. If this Tesla X Hypercar X private jet style motorhome becomes real, this changes everything about land luxury travel forever. Tell me in comments, if money was not a problem, would you buy this?